If you're thinking about buying the HeatStream Pro Heater because the ads say it can heat an entire room instantly and cut your electricity bill by up to 90%, you need to hear this before spending your money. The product is marketed as a compact, plug-in heater that supposedly replaces central heating and delivers powerful warmth at a fraction of the energy cost. But when you look at the actual performance and the science behind electric heaters, those claims simply don't hold up. Small plug-in heaters all work on the same basic resistive heating principle, which means their efficiency is already near the physical limit. No device in this category can magically produce the same heat output using 90% less power. In practical use, this type of heater can warm a small personal space or the immediate area around it, but expecting it to handle large rooms or multiple rooms is unrealistic. Another concern is the marketing itself, where well-known media logos like Forbes, Wired, and Cena are shown without verifiable source articles. And many of the testimonials appear staged or recycled with no credible third-party validation. Product comparisons also show very similar generic heaters available wholesale for around $10–15, while this one is sold at a much higher markup under a new brand name. That doesn't automatically make it useless, but it does mean expectations should be grounded. It may function as a small spot heater, not a whole room solution, and it won't perform miracles on your power bill. If you're considering it, treat it as a basic personal heater, not a revolutionary energy-saving system, and weigh the price against standard space heaters with verified ratings and transparent specs.